everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Antoaneta, and today I would like to share with you how I changed my lifestyle in the last 16 months. I'm filming this video in Mykonos. We just arrived from Santorini. I'm spending some time with my family, and everyone should know how important it is to spend precious time with your family. I've been working really hard and I'm enjoying my time with my family now, but I'm still finding some time so I can share with you how I changed my lifestyle in the last 16 months. So even when you travel, you can still be a minimalist. I'd like to show you. I've been using my straws everywhere I go. I've been using my reusable makeup pads. I'm using my reusable cups everywhere I go. Even my lunchbox is full of fruits. We just came from Santorini to Mykonos and I'm having some fruits. I've been quite upset because the water in Santorini and Mykonos, it's not suitable for drinking, and I'm still using my reusable bottle of water, but not the way I would like to use it, because the tap water, it's not advisable to be used for drinking. So I'm quite upset, but when I go back to London next week, I will be back to my routine, only use my reusable bottle of water. So without further ado, let's start, and I'd like to share with you a few ideas how you can change your lifestyle. Over the course of this last year, I've made a lot of changes in my lifestyle, cutting out plenty of things that I don't see much value in, and let me tell you, it's been quite a journey. It all started back in April last year, with me fully realizing the harm that commercial cleaning products can do. For those of you who are new to the eco-friendly lifestyle and are still unaware of their dangerous side effects, I suggest that you watch my video on the topic here. Since then, I've not only thrown out the store-bought cleaners from my closet, replacing them with eco-friendly alternatives like lemon vinegar, homemade alcohol, or an essential oil, but also worked on removing toxins from my life altogether. I now know how to keep my house sparkly and clean without putting myself, my family, or Mother Nature at risk. And if you stay with me until the end, I will give you a special bonus tip. My journey to a happier and greener life has also allowed me to truly appreciate the practical benefits of going zero waste, the benefits of minimalism. Here are some examples. Kitchen wipes. Like most people, I too used to rely on throwaway kitchen wipes. And at first glance, they are great, affordable, convenient, and easy to use. Kitchen wipes are staple in any modern household. They do, however, end up bloating your carbon footprint and creating a ton of waste for no real reason. My search for an eco-friendly alternative has led me to discover the joys of reusable towel wipes. Yes, plain, simple, natural fabric, napkin-sized towels. I've got a couple of sets at home, 15 by 15 centimeters and 10 by 10, that I use for pretty much any wiping task. And while they do need a bit of looking after, I toss them in the laundry basket after each use. They are well worth it. You can use EcoBrow bamboo towels, which I have too. Check the description below if you're interested. Makeup wipes. Like most ladies, I too made extensive use of makeup remover wipes. Cotton wipes, wet wipes, you name it, I had it. Once I decided to cut down on the kitchen wipes, however, I realized that the throwaway makeup wipes needed to go as well. Now I'm relying entirely on reusable makeup wipes instead. Again, I'm following the same logic as above. I'm trying to cut down, well, straight up eliminate, but adjustments take time, on my usage of throwaway commercial products, aiming at sustainability instead. And even though reusable wipes have a bigger upfront cost than a pack of throwaways, They will last me for years in the future, allowing me to save up on money as well. If you'd like to try changing to reusable makeup wipes, I'd suggest giving this a shot. Eco Bravo reusable makeup pads. Check the description below. Jewelry. Jewelry. I used to buy jewelry all the time. Every other week, I would go looking for new shiny rings or necklace, either online or at the local stores. Sometimes I would even buy pieces that obviously weren't real gold or silver. Eventually, I realized that all they're doing is collecting dust and filling up my jewelry boxes for no reason. So last year, I took a decision that I would only buy myself presents for special occasions. I found this really nice silver necklace that I immediately fell in love with, and I just had to purchase. My promise to myself, however, required that this remains my only purchase of this kind of the whole year. And so far, it has been. If I want something new, I'll just buy myself a really nice gift once a year and allow myself the time to fully appreciate and enjoy it. I haven't bought any jewelry since last summer, and I'm really happy with my progress. Throwaway bottles. If you're interested in getting started with zero waste, I would suggest that you give no plastic a try first. I bet that you were wondering when plastic would come up in this video. Well, here they are. Let me tell you something. Plastics are bad, really bad, both for your health and for the environment. For more information on the subject, I would urge you to watch my video. It's well worth your time, I promise. Since deciding to go full eco-friendly, I've been doing my best to eliminate my plastic consumption. Naturally, this also means that I can't, or rather don't want to use any plastic water bottles. I've replaced the throwaway bottles with reusable ones. I've gotten in the habit of never leaving my home without dropping a reusable water bottle in my handbag, and it's been very helpful in avoiding plastic. I have a warning for those of you who are seriously considering picking up the zero waste lifestyle. Don't expect the change to happen overnight. Our lifestyles are absolutely riddled with throwaway plastic garbage, and removing all of it immediately just can't happen. You'll be offered plastic bags, plastic bottles, cups, straws, takeout boxes. The list goes on and on, but don't let that frustrate you. At first, it may seem as if everyone around you is doing their best just to shove more plastic into your hands. And the more you try to give away, the more they push. Believe me, they're not doing it on purpose. It's just that everyone is used to the convenience of these items, and nobody is expecting you to react negatively. Simply remain calm and mindful. Bottled water. Following the logic above, I've also stopped buying bottled water. Not only does it tend to come in plastic bottles, but it's also not as good for you as you might originally think. Instead of bottled water, I've opted for water distiller at home called Make Water Pure. You can check them out. See the link in the description below. Reusable shopping bags. When I would visit a store, I would usually come home carrying at least a couple of plastic bags. Over the course of last year, I've slowly made the change from using throwaway plastic to sustainability. Now, I never go out shopping without carrying a couple of my reusable cloth bags with me. Not only are they just a lightweight and convenient, but they are also much more durable than their plastic counterparts. I use Eco Bravo produced bags, and if you check the description below, you can find them for yourself too. I would highly recommend them to everyone looking to add some eco-friendliness to their life. Air fresheners. Commercial air fresheners are sadly plagued by the very same issues that store-bought cleaning solutions suffer from. They are ridden with dangerous toxins and chemicals. I'm proud to say that I've mastered the creation of DIY air fresheners from eco-friendly materials. It's actually really easy. Everyone can do it. I prefer using orange peels. I boil them and add in a touch of vanilla and cinnamon extracts. They smell absolutely amazing, and they're entirely eco and family friendly. Tea bags. That is a big one. I do live in London after all. Here, tea is a staple of our daily lives. Ever since I was a child, I've always liked the idea of having a nice cup of tea in the morning and in the afternoon. And when I first came here, I welcomed the local tea habits with open arms. I have stopped buying tea bags. Now that I know some of them can have traces of plastics which will end up doing more harm than good, it just doesn't feel like the right thing to do. But I still love tea, and so I've turned to homemade tea mixes. Both my mother and my grandmom, they've been happily supplying me with the tea ingredients. And if I ever run out, I just buy tea in bulk. Not only does this allow me to stay eco-friendlier, but it also helps me save up a bit of money in the long run. Yogurt. Low in carbs and high in protein, homemade yogurt is great for your health. Growing up in Bulgarian village, Bulgaria is famous for its amazing yogurt. I was already used to eating it regularly. When I was little, my mother and grandmother would always prepare batches of homemade yogurt, and naturally they passed their knowledge on to me. If you are unfamiliar with the many benefits of homemade yogurt, or you are looking for recipes on how to prepare your own batches, have a look at my video How to Make Homemade Yogurt. Check the description below or follow the link on the screen. Books. Even though I enjoy reading it a lot, I don't buy paper books anymore. However, I still believe that everyone who wants to improve their lifestyle should strive to read something new every day. I've created a video about the importance of reading, which you can check out here. How do I get my reading fix then? I buy digital books and I listen to audiobooks. For my audiobook needs, I rely almost entirely on Audible. They are yet to let me down. Not only are all my books accessible from all my devices and anywhere I am, but all of them come with no added cost for the environment. If you wish to have your own Audible application, check the description below. Toys. I realize that those of you with young children or pets may disagree, but bear with me here. Even though we all enjoy the idea of giving our loved ones small gifts every now and then, I think giving toys is a bad idea. When presented with new toys too frequently, both children and pets will have the tendency to quickly lose interest, and at that point, you are just adding pointless clutter to your home. Not to mention all the harmful habits that you are encouraging by showing them that they can always get shiny new things for no apparent reason beyond just being cute. Instead of presenting them with a multitude of small gifts all the time, try giving them one or two really nice big gifts for special occasions. Clothes. When I decided to go minimalist, I also took a bet that I would go for an entire year without buying new clothes. Since the 15th of December last year, I haven't bought any clothes and I feel great. I used to spend a lot of money on clothes and my wardrobe had more outfits than I can count. Shopping was my go-to distress activity. Every time I would get sad or upset, I would go on a shopping spree and end up buying tons of stuff that I don't really need. Shoes. My shoe collection was huge and it only kept growing. Eventually, I realized that I have more shoes that I know what to do with. I had tons of brand new pairs that I'd barely worn for the years that I had them. Well, that had to change, and I did it. Now, I only have few pairs that I mix and match with a couple of outfits I use. Bags. Naturally, my shopping also included bags. Every time I would buy a new outfit, it obviously needed a matching bag to go with. When I took my minimalism out, this changed as well. I gave away a large portion of my bags and I'm not going to buy any new ones in the near future. At the moment I've got few colors and most of the time I'm using my black bag, and I will only get a new one if they get damaged. And my last, I may say, a bonus tip, I cancel my gym membership. If you're having difficulties adjusting to your lifestyle changes, I've got just the thing for you. Try adding some exercise to your routine. Exercise can be incredibly beneficial both for your physical and mental health. Over the course of the last year, I've started regularly exercising at home and taking long walks in the park almost every day. If you, like me, are very busy and feel like you just won't be able to squeeze in the gym trips, I would suggest that you invest in some home workout equipment. I use the TG band at home every day, so you can check the link below. I'd like to remind you that you don't really need a lot of stuff to be happy. Life can be really simple. Shopping and other wasteful habits may feel like they are taking the edge off, but that is just temporary. Believe me, I've been there. Simplifying your life can help you in more ways that you can imagine. Instead of buying useless items, I would urge you to save your money and invest them in yourself and in your future. From signing up for some new courses that can help you in a meaningful way, to buying some audiobooks to replace your paper ones and replacing everyday household items with greener alternatives, there are countless ways in which you can make a better use of your money. So, what do you think about my way of living? Do you like my ideas? Do you approve them? Do you think you can have anything interesting to share with me? Please comment in the comments below, so I'd love to hear from you. If you like my video, share with your friends and family. If you like my channel, we do talk about business ideas, we do talk about investment, we talk about zero waste and minimalism, how to do and how to improve your lifestyle. If you like this content, subscribe to my channel, and every week I will provide you with a new video. I'd love to hear from you, so share any ideas, any opinion in the comments below, and till next time, stay green and motivate.